fam. Do you want to know what this video is about?
So do we. I don't know what they're doing.
Hey girls, so Dad's in charge of the video, and we're using this.
What's in the box challenge?
Okay girls, you guys gotta pick up 3 different things, and you're gonna have 30 seconds to do it. You're gonna need 1 toy item, 1 household item, and 1 food item for the challenge. Ready, set, go. 30 seconds.
Okay.
This is a cool toy.
I have all my items under the couch, so let me show you. I got this, and this. I got the best food item ever.
28, 29, 30. We're gonna see whose items we're gonna use first.
Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Joya wins. Okay, Joya, challenge me. Ready? Rock, paper, scissors, shoot.
All right, so we're using Saleea's items first. Joya's up, putting her hand in the box. Come on, Joya!
Okay, I gotta get my items.
So each of the girls have 3 items picked, and Dad's gonna fill in to be the extra player to guess the last item.
Okay, guys. I'm gonna do my household item. Okay.
Joya, are you ready? No peeking.
Peeking.
Put the first item in, Saleea. Whoa. All right, Joya, put your hands in.
No.
No, don't look yet. Don't look yet. Okay.
What is it, Joya?
What do you think it is? It feels like chips. It's not chips. No. All right, Leanna's set to do the second item. Saleea's putting her next item in.
It feels wet. It feels slobbery. A pickle!
Is it a pickle? The pickle. All right, Saleea's round 3. Nice look, Jim. Daddy is gonna be guessing
I got mine.
the toy item. All right, Saleea, put it in. What do you think it is, Dad?
I think I'm LOL dolls.
Yeah.
Is it LOL dolls? Take a look, Dad.
Aha!
Wow. All right, second round. It's Joya's items. Joya has put an item in the box for Saleea. Saleea, your mask is down. Put your hands in.
It's something with the...
Oh no. Oh no, Joya, what is she?
Okay, there's a seal on it.
Oh, that's good. Oh!
What is that? Feels like something.
Joya.
Feels like something. Feels creamy and wet. Oh.
Okay, Saleea, what do you think it is?
Judging by the size and what it feels like, I think it might be maybe like, you know, those small tubs of ice cream that we get?
Is it ice cream?
No!
Guess again, Saleea.
Butter!
Yes!
Butter! All right, Joya's putting the item in for Leanna. That's what she's put in. All right, Leanna's got her blindfold on.
Bristles?
What is it, Leanna?
Hairbrush!
Yes!
2 for 2 in Joya's round. Okay, Jim's getting his
Blindfold.
style and blindfold on.
Okay.
Making sure the seam goes at the back. All right, Joya's got her last item in the box. What is it, Jim?
What is that? Okay. Is it your bear, Joya?
Yes?
Which bear is it?
You kind of got it wrong because it was my birth bear. You got it was a
That
bear.
was actually Leanna's bear.
This is my round. Putting it in for Joya.
Joya. No!
Joya, you gotta keep that over your eyes. What do you think that is, Joya? You think it's food?
A game show. An animal toy.
An animal toy? Wrong again, Joya. What did you say it was, Joya? Is it a Hatchimal toy, guys?
Yeah.
Yes. Pull your head blindfold off, Joya.
It was this.
All right, Leanna has put her item in the box for Dad. It's the food item parts. You're covering down, Jim.
This is gonna be hard but easy.
Ew.
Ew.
Is it butter?
No.
All right, Jim, what do you think it is?
I don't know. I think it's gotta be butter.
You think it's butter, like margarine?
Yeah, because it's staying on the box here. I don't know.
Is it butter, Leanna?
Nah.
Take your blindfold off, Jim.
Ew.
It's hard to not cheese. Oh. All right, last and final round. Leanna has put her item in there for Saleea. Saleea, put your hands in the box. It fits in the box, sort of.
What is this? Interesting. There is stuff inside of it. Paper.
This is the household item. Joya!
Yeah.
Look at it.
No cheating! No cheating!
At first, I thought it was like a tablet because I felt this, and I thought it was a tablet. But then I felt like how it got bigger, and I'm like, wait, tablets don't. And they don't have papers inside of them. Oh, I feel the rings of a binder. A binder.
It's a binder. Is it a binder, Leanna June?
Oh, it looks like sticky.
Leanna, is it a binder? Hey! She's hiding the item. She's hiding the item.
Not looking until I make it pop.
We got one hiding an item, one putting the box on our head. What's going on around here, Dad?
I
I don't know what this one's doing.
Oh,
We've lost total control, Jim. What do you think was in the box?
a binder.
Where is the binder?
Yeah.
All right. Good job, guys.
3, 2, 1.
All right, guys. That was quite the game, to say the least. I know it was fun. We had some laughs, but I...
Wait, I forgot one more round.
Who's round? Do you have items, Jim?
Yeah, I do.
Here.
All right, let's do it. One more round, guys. All right, last round, Dad's round. He's got some hard items. Put your headband down, Saleea.
Hopefully I get it. Not cute. Thread or whatever it's called.
Is it thread, Dad?
It's thread.
Oh, that was easy. She got that easier than I thought she would. Go.
1, 2, 3.
All right, final round for Joya. Dad's putting it in. Put your hands in, Joya.
Eraser.
An eraser? Is it an eraser, Dad?
No.
No.
Oh, Joya did it.
No peeking.
Peeker.
Battery.
Batteries, yeah!
We're gonna need this for the next round.
Dun, dun, dun.
Leanna.
I feel like I feel.
Okay.
I'm gonna pull
Okay.
it down a little bit just to make
sure.
she's not peeking on us.
Why did you pick my nose?
Okay, let Dad put it in. This is definitely the last item of the night.
Last one. Pull your hands out for a second.
The tomato thing. Is it like a
grape salad.
peanut salad?
Peanuts. All right, Leanna, one final guess.
The red stuff that was in the fridge.
The red stuff, that's your final answer.
Yeah.
That's
Well, that's
Pretty close.
That's pretty close, but it's not what it really is. What is it? Take a look.
It's the red stuff that was in the fridge. Yeah, I was guessing that.
It's cranberry sauce.
Okay, I'm gonna.
All right, all the chesters on the couch, quick.
Oh my gosh!
Last one to the couch is last one to get ice cream.
Wait.
All right, guys, 3 rounds plus a bonus round. It's been quite a night, but you know what? We had lots of fun and we earned ice cream! Yay! All right, thanks all the viewers who stuck with us and watched it. For now, we're gonna say goodbye and
Before you go, go, make sure to subscribe.
Turn on post notifications.